This BSNRM Z Fold 7 wallet case wraps the phone in a rigid shell with cushioned edges, giving the large folding device the kind of impact protection it really needs for everyday use. The integrated card storage replaces a traditional wallet by holding several cards securely while using shielding material to help protect tap and chip data from casual skimming. A built-in privacy screen protector covers the inner display edge to edge, softening bumps and resisting scratches while also limiting side viewing so your information is harder to read in public. The sliding camera cover moves smoothly on its track and locks in place, so the rear lenses stay guarded from grit and scuffs when you are not taking photos. Dedicated hinge protection with magnetic tracking and internal padding follows every open and close, helping to shield the most delicate part of the Z Fold 7 from wear and small knocks. A hidden stand under the hinge cover flips out quickly for stable hands-free viewing in landscape, making it easier to watch videos or work without propping the phone against something.